Ever sent a resume or a pitch email that you knew was perfect only to hear absolute silence? You aren't losing to better candidates. You're basically losing to an automated lexical filter that never let a human see your words. In today's landscape, mastering business English means learning how to speak fluently to an automated AI system as fluently as you like to talk to other people. So by the end of this video, you will know the exact keyword indicators that force AI HR systems to flag your profile as a live for a live human review. And also, if you are new to this channel, just letting you know that we help you master corporate English and professional communication in AI era. Welcome to the channel. Okay. So our agenda for today is very simple. We will identify how automated HR tools scan vocabulary. We'll master 4 high impact keyword categories that bypass lexical filters. Apply practical phrase swaps to instantly upgrade your resume and pitch. And also there is a mid-session quiz. Stay tuned till then. Let's begin. Most professionals make the mistake of using passive generic vocabulary like responsible for or managed a team. In automated screening systems, these are invisible words. Lexical filters scan for dense, high-impact action verbs paired directly with industry standard frameworks. If those exact semantic indicators aren't present, your math score drops below a threshold for human review. When you rely on passive phrasing, the parser treats your experience as a duty rather than a proven skill. Adding concrete metrics directly alongside active verbs signals quantifiable business impact that algorithms prioritize. Aligning your vocabulary with industry-specific keyword triggers guarantees your profile lands on a human recruiter's table. So to trigger a manual review, you need 4 specific types of keywords embedded naturally into your algorithm. Number 1, outcome-oriented verbs. Replace generic descriptions like helps with or worked on with powerful verbs such as spearheaded, architected, optimized, quantified. These signal active leadership and direct responsibility rather than passive participation. 2, methodology identifiers. Explicitly name your operational frameworks such as Agile, Scrum, Lean, or data-driven decision making. Algorithmic filters specifically scan for these industry standards to verify that your process aligns with the company operations. 3, cross-functional terminology. Incorporate collaboration indicators like cross-departmental alignment, multidisciplinary meeting, stakeholder engagement, and interdisciplinary collaboration. This demonstrates your ability to operate across different teams, different multidisciplinary teams and other systems that you have worked on, but you're not directly related to them. And the fourth one is impact matrix. Always pair your verbs with concrete measurement language like increase throughout by certain percentage, reduce latency, scaled efficiency, or even boosted retention. Hard data points prove the tangible business value behind your everyday task. Numbers matter. So let's translate these common workplace pain points into high impact solutions you can apply directly to your daily business writing. First pain point is sounding too passive or vague on paper. Your solution? Swap low impact phrases like handled client complaints for resolved high value stakeholder escalations to maintain 98% retention. This replaces a generic passive duty with an active power verb, which is resolved, high value corporate terminology like stakeholder escalations, and a quantifiable impact matrix that is 98% retention. Second one is failing to capture technical relevance in traditional roles. Swap outdated or simple descriptions like used software to analyze sales for leverage data analytics platform to drive revenue forecasting. By upgrading simple words like used and software to industry standard keywords like leverage data-driven platforms, you immediately signal digital fluency and strategic value to automated screeners. So let's test your quiz. Okay, 3 quizzes. I will give you the question, then I will wait for 3 seconds and I will reveal the answer to you. Okay, so this is not an exam, just to check whether you have understood what I have taught so far, and no marking. Okay, so let's begin. Question 1. Which phrase is most likely to bypass an automated filter? Is it manage daily team tasks and emails, orchestrated daily workflows to improve team efficiency by 15%, was in charge of team productivity every week? So your answer in 3, 2, 1 is B. Of course, you have put a number at the end of your answer. At the statement, it quantifies what you have actually done. Question 2. Why do generic phrases like responsible for fail in ATA's screening? They lack active verbs and quantifiable outcome matrix. They are too long for systems to process, and see, the automated systems only read nouns. Well, you know the answer. Its answer in 3, 2, 1 is A. There is less quantifiable metrics for the system to understand what you have actually done and what you have achieved for the whole company or your team. Third one, which word upgrade provides the highest semantic value? A. Helped facilitate, helped spearheaded, C. Helped looked after. Answer in 3, 2, 1, of course, spearheaded. I told you in the previous slide that you use very strong words for people and the system to understand that you were in the leading position. Okay, so where you place your keyword matters just as much as using them, because automated screeners scan and evaluate documents based on visual and structural priority. So here's how document heat map weighting works across your resume or even in business email. The top 30% high priority prime real estate. Lexical filters weigh the top third of your document much heavier than the rest. So this section must house your professional summary, core methodology indicators, and most potent outcome verbs, so the system registers a high match score instantly. In a business pitch email, always lead with your highest impact action phrase in the very first bullet point. Number 2. This space covers your detailed work history, which is the middle 50%, and specific functional roles. Here, focus on contextualizing your skills, pairing action verbs with concrete metrics for each project or the position. And the last 20% reserved for general credentials, certifications, and educational background. While necessary for completeness, algorithms assign lower algorithmic weight to text placed at the bottom. So bypassing automated lexical filters isn't about gaining the systems. It's about learning to speak the language of modern hiring systems. When you transition from passive generic descriptions to dense framework rich technology paired with quantifiable metrics, you remove the algorithmic barriers standing between you and a live human review. By strategically front-loading high-impact keywords in the top third of your documents and applying these practical phrase upgrades across your everyday workplace communication, you ensure that your true expertise, leadership, and professional value gets seen by the decision makers who matter. So, if you found these practical tips helpful for navigating business English, kindly hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for weekly insights on professional communication and corporate English in AI era. Drop a comment with a phrase you are upgrading today, and I will see you in the next lesson. Cheers.